Hello everyone, welcome back to the garden. In today's video, I am just going to give you all a quick tip on what you can do with an old window mesh frame. It's going to be very quick and fast. So I have these old mesh frames that I have been using for some time now. I have used them in the past to make doors for my garden by zip tying some other piece of stakes to it and then knock it down in the ground. But this morning, what you can do with your old window frames is to take off these pieces. Y'all see these here? I'm taking these off and I'm going to be using them as stakes. Yeah. So you can rip off the sides of the mesh. That is if you don't want to use it how it is now. So y'all know I don't like to waste anything. And I was about to break these off, you know, and I remember that I have used some parts of this in the past for stakes. So by ripping these off, I'm now going to have these pieces to be used as stakes. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces already. Yeah, 8 pieces. And then I have this piece of mesh, and I'm going to be using this to do another project. Oh, here is another piece, fell on the ground. And then I have this piece of cord that came from the mesh, and I can use this to tie up some stuff in the garden. All right, so I guess that was a quick 2-minute tip, garden tip. Yeah, so remember now, if you have your old window frames or window mesh, you can go ahead and strip off the sides. That is the metal pieces to use as stakes in your garden. You can use the mesh part to save dirt or to cover your barrels or cover containers. And then this black piece right here, you can use it to tie up stuff in the garden. All right, folks, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you're just joining me, I am the Glades Garden Girl, your creative cultivator over here in Zone 10A, Florida. I always have something new to share with you all, either something that I am testing out, something that I have discovered. Yeah, because I guess by now we all should know how to pop a few seeds in the ground and watch them grow. It's nothing special. Nothing special at all. All we have to do is ensure that we give the plants water, give them food. Yep. So, as I said, that's gonna be it for this video. And before I go, I want to say a very big thank you to all of my returning subscribers, and for my newest subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you loads for coming back. I guess I will see you in the next video, because I'm going to work on another little project right now, so I can show it to you all. I might be working on a few projects for today to show to you. All right, so thanks for watching. See you soon in the next one.